Hello everyone, welcome back to Triumph FX channel. So today I will be sharing with us how you can accurately analyze the forex market without having losses. There may be losses anyway, but minimal losses, right? So you can actually analyze the forex market accurately and you make your money. So if you can analyze accurately, then combined with patience, you wait patiently till your setup is right for you to take, you are not going to be having issues, right? So this is a trade I posted on the free Telegram group last week on SZD card, right? I posted this on the group. There was something I saw on the 4-hour time frame in this place, and with my confirmation of the daily time frame, then I posted this, and this trade stood up very well this week. It started by the weekend of last week, that's Friday, breaking Monday as market open. We woke up to see that the trade was dropping nicely, right? So I'm going to explain with this chart what I saw and why I took the trade. Look at this point here. This is an order block, this pin bar. See what happened here. Price gave an order block here, traded away, came back to retest this order block, drop, and when price came back, this is a kind of formation of equal highs. Price took out these equal highs and trade off. Look at this, it moved off. Look at creating this inequality. I've explained about trading order block with inequalities in my last video, right? So it created this inequality, just sold off immediately. Then I came to the daily time frame. If you look at the daily time frame, this is where we have the setup. This is the high, the order block that was taken out. This is the candle that formed the equal high with the previous order block. Price took it out and dropped, breaking the structure, taking out this previous low. So expectation is price will come back to retest and trade off, right? So if you look at the daily time frame, the daily chart, you see that price is on a downtrend, right? Then coming back to the 4-hour time frame, this is my sell zone. So when price hits the zone, you sell. Just when price hits the order block, you sell, right? Then for you to reduce your stop loss, you can drop down to 15 minutes time frame. Then coming back to 15 minutes time frame, inside the order block we had this bullish candle. So you can refine to that bullish candle. You can actually take the candle, but it's blunt. When candle is blunt like that, give some allowance. So I give this space from this rejection. Then I hope to take my sell looking at this candle, right? So if we go back to the 4-hour time frame, that was exactly the point where price hit before dropping, right? And this trade has moved over 230 pips. This is my target for this trade. You can see that. So it's just simple and very accurate, right? So another thing you can look into is one other thing that gave me confidence in this trade is the keys level. That price hit the key level. This was where price hit. Let me bring that out. Yep. So this point, look at it here. There was a key level here around a half number, that is 0.82500. So this was another line or level where I can take my entry. So when I saw this level, it gave me confidence that yeah, this setup is happened on a key level, and the retest of that key level can give me the entry. This 15 minutes time frame, and price has moved 50 pips, 100 pips, 150, 200, and it's over 230 already, right? Okay, so that's it. You can watch this video again and I believe you will learn something from it, right? If you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Do well to recommend this channel to other persons as well, so that they can as well get quality content from this channel. Now let's look at some other trades. So a few trades that we took this week. So this was the NZD card, and this was when price was fast approaching the entry, the sell zone, and that was when price hit the zone and started dropping. Yeah, so this is the daily time frame, is how far it has dropped. This is a 4-hour time frame, how far the NZD card has dropped as well. So this was another trade we took this week, NZD JP1 4-hour time frame. So you see, I saw this accumulation here, and what happened, price traded away immediately after this accumulation. So this is a accumulation of liquidity anyway, so I was expecting that price would come back into this zone. I have my key level here as well. The price will trade off from there. So this was when price was approaching the zone, and this was when I sent the signal to the signal channel on NZD JPY. Then this is what happened. Price broke through the zone, and that was a loss of minus 15 pips for us. So there's a stop loss 84.90, and our entry was 85.05. that's about 15 pips. So we had a loss on NZD JPY. Then we also had a trade here on USD card. I saw this rejection from this 50 exponential moving average, and this was what I sent to the signal channel, the USD card buy limit order, right? So this trade triggered, and that was how it moved away immediately. So our trade was triggered at this line, and price came back to retest it and traded off, right? So this was when TP1 was smashed already, and price was approaching TP2, and that was it. Price grabbed our TP2 at about 57 pips, right? So those are the few trades I would like to share with us. So do well. If you look at this trade, look at yes, look at this. What do you have here? You see the order block took out this previous low, and what happened? Price traded off immediately, right? So this was a bullish trend on this time frame, but we had a loss there. But we saw another thing here too. So on the 5 minutes time frame, this is where we identified the order block. That's price price after the order block was formed, price traded off immediately, taking out the previous high, and we're waiting for it we're waiting for price to come back into the zone for us to take our buy. All right, okay, just two setups that we're looking at this this week. Yes, so I'll be looking at GBP CHF. This is a 4-hour time frame. You can see there's another block here. So here I've identified my order block, and there was a previous high here. The order block took it out after creating an equal high here. Price took it out and traded off immediately. So price sold off from here. So I'm expecting that price will eventually come back to this zone. When price come back to this zone, this is my sell zone. I may be looking at selling. I'll be looking at selling this GBP CHF. Same thing is happening on GBP card. Can see here. Okay, this is a 4-hour time frame. So this is a lower time frame setup. I'll not be able to go into that now, but I'm expecting that price will come back to this zone after taking out this lows. We have about just almost equal lows at this point. This one, so there's a kind of equal lows from here. Price has taken those equal lows out, so I'm expecting that price will come back to this level of this rejection, then we drop. So I'm looking at GBP card and GBP CHF for a sell. For the week will be entry, right? I wish you all the best in your trading. Please do well to like this video, comment and share. I wish you all the best. God bless you.